Low-cost internet advertising agencies are the ideal way and most recommended means to make your product or service known and for your website to earn money. There is such a very huge range of affordable internet advertising agencies that are now found in the net. There are various internet advertising agencies according to the kind of product or service they provide. Here is a list of a few of these kinds of online marketing agencies. 1. Web design agencies. These are focused on building web pages for a website. Many web developers are now offering affordable services if you just know how and where to find them. 2. Logo services. Production of website logos is the main concern of these agencies. Hundreds of pre-designed logos could be purchased or even customized to complement your website better. 3. Copywriting agencies. In adjunct to search engine optimization, these agencies provide quality content that targets the attention of the market you intend to tap. Looking for the best deals with copywriting services will be a cinch if you know where to look. If you prefer freelancers, they are often found with their own websites. 4. Search engine optimization companies. These companies analyze and modify websites in order to achieve the highest possible search engine ranking. They improve your website's design and content to better attract more traffic. Link building could also be employed by these e-marketing agencies to benefit your business. They are actually a combination of all the services mentioned above. Sometimes they also go by the name of internet marketing consultancies or something of that sort. 5. Domain registration companies. Your business's name on the web is the business of these companies. Looking for the best amongst a wide array of these agencies is like looking for a needle in a haystack. But if you are determined enough to do your homework with these marketing services, results would be more than rewarding. Just make sure that you don't register with those whose only intention is to rip off those who can't afford the most reputable domain registration agencies. These are just a few of the internet advertising agencies that a web marketing newbie could turn to. Examining your needs first will better your chances of getting in touch with the cream of the crop of these internet marketing agencies minus the hefty price tag. Don't miss out on my top 3 recommended simple business opportunities by clicking the links in the description of this video. Like and subscribe. I wish you great success.